everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today we're going to talk about how to do a manual swap in your 300zx twin turbo. Well, that video is coming soon, so please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification because I'm going to be making a very detailed 300zx twin turbo manual swap conversion video. But today I am actually going to talk about how to drop your rear subframe. So the 300zx subframe design is so simple and it's very beautifully designed. All the subframe is held with 4 major bolts. Here, here, there, and there. So all these bolts, all you need is a 19mm socket, a breaker bar, and another 14mm socket and a breaker bar. That's all you need. When you go under the vehicle, this is how it will look like. So there is a 19mm bolt, you take that off, and there's 2 14mm bolts, you take that off. And on the back side of it, this is just all by itself. So there will be only a 19mm bolt. Once you do that, the whole rear end will be hung on with your suspension. So there's 2 ways of doing that. Number one is you take another 19mm off from the suspension. You take another 19mm off from the bottom of the suspension from both sides, and with the help of a jack, you can slowly drop the rear end. The other way of doing that is the way I did it. Not really recommend that because you have to take the interior panels off. You have to take these 2 bolts off from your suspension, and then it will drop with the suspension. It will only take about half an hour because you still have to disconnect the drive shaft. This is an NA rear end, so the drive shaft has 4 bolts, and these are 14mm bolts. More videos coming in, so please hit the subscribe and the bell notification to stay tuned on the upcoming content.